closet. Heavy words strain the lining of your pockets. New words require a substantial deposit. Dominant words deal and delve and dare. Abrupt words halt the unassuming atmosphere. Embarrassed words implode upon a stare. Painful words ache beyond compare. Blissful words lie lazily beneath your pillow. Blinding words suit the poorly sighted armadillo. Tormented words wisp between the leaves of the weeping willow. Rigid words never have any gear. Chatty words evolve in the classroom rear. Wild words roar and hiss and sneer. Creepy words lurk eerily behind the nooks. Lost and stolen words may find themselves in books. Abusive words discredit themselves like crooks. Exaggerated words make a situation worse. Contemplative words ponder each chapter, line and verse. Shy words wish longingly to converse. Rebellious words strive fiercely to disengage. Tentative words are difficult to gauge. Furious words seep through the page with undiluted rage. Sharp words cut to the bone. Tender words prefer a gentle tone. Ambivalent words converge, diverge, then moan. Stroppy words should be left to blinking loan.
Murray, and I'm Irish, and it's been absolutely wonderful hearing everything that you've had to say today, ladies. You're absolutely amazing, and you're only to be admired for everything that you do in the community and all the work you do to help everyone else. But I'm going to say to you, don't forget to look after yourself today, because it's very important. And you know what happens when you don't, and so many women do it. So here's my little poem. A good way to look after yourself is to go out in nature. Look at the beauty of nature. It helps to relax you, and it helps in every way. This is my poem, The Almost Naked Trees. I wrote this on Garrett Lane last autumn. The almost naked trees stand high and dark against a bright blue autumn sky. Some leaves hold on while others fall and fly. Beneath the trees, leaves gather in piles of multicolored glow, while children shout and play and kick them as they go.
First of all, just a big round of applause again for the incredible women we've heard from today. Like, you guys are doing incredible work, and yeah, major credit to all that you're doing. Hopefully this is a good note to end on for Women's Day. I have a poem, it's called Unhinged, which is maybe a word that we've been accused of various times in our lives, but I promise it's worth listening to. They call it unhinged, but what it is uninhibited. They claim it's ridiculous to live, to love, to give, to gain like it's unlimited. That isn't it. They say you've got to be quiet, calm down, shut up, be a good girl, behave, grow up. Nah, that's not it. You will run if you want, scream off the rooftops, burn bridges, shatter ceilings. That's how they know they've lost. Call it disrespect or self-respect, dignified or demeaning. The key is it's a decision, outside archaic definitions and misconstrued meanings. Who dares try to tame your screams? It's more than they can ever dream. Through the walls, through the windows, let them burn. Sticks and stones, short and sweet, joke's on them. This shit lives in your bones. And if they feel threatened, then let them think you're clawing for their crowns. Who cares for redemption when you watch their world burn down? There's embers in that heart, a phoenix out here. Let them tear you apart, and when the smoke clears, you rise, you fly, you sever ties, and you write till you cry, till you laugh, till you die, till they scream even louder when your ghost floats by. 'Cause you know you'll be fine, and you ride off into the light. You smile and say, there's never a right time, but perhaps this is mine. Happy Women's Day.